How old do you have to be to work at Uber Eats? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome. I've simply searched Uber Eats job requirement. Scroll down and go to Uber's official website, which is Become a Delivery Driver using Uber Eats. Here, you'll find different options. Be a delivery driver using Uber. You'll find all these informations on how to do it. But if you go at the bottom, you'll find here's what you need. And for delivery by car, you will need to be at least 19 years old and other requirements. Delivery by scooter, also at least 19, and delivery by bicycle or on foot, you should be at least 18 years old. And these are the requirements of Uber Eats drivers. This is how old do you have to be to work at Uber Eats. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.